So astronomical telescope is an instrument used to see the far distant objects. So the basic construction of an astronomical telescope. It consists of two lenses. One is called objective lens and one is called eyepiece. So the aperture size and focal length of objective lens is more than the aperture and focal length of eyepiece. So f0 is greater than fe. So f0 is greater than fe. Now the astronomical telescope can be used in two types of adjustments. One is called focusing for infinity, or focusing for relaxed eye, or focusing for normal vision. All three are same. And the second is focusing for least distance of distinct region. So the rays from far situated objects comes from infinity and falls on objective lens. And the objective lens forms its image AB at the focal plane of objective lens. So the distance from O to B is f0, that is focal length of objective. So AB is the image formed by objective lens at the focal plane of objective lens. Now this AB works as the object for eyepiece. Now the eyepiece can be adjusted by using a technique known as rack and pinion method. So that micrometer screw can be used to move the eyepiece on this axis to form the final image as per our adjustment or requirement. If eyepiece is adjusted in such a way that this AB falls on the focal plane of eyepiece also, then the final image is at infinity. So this, when the final image is made at infinity, once again the focusing is called focusing for infinity, or focusing for relaxed eye, or focusing for normal vision. So this is the image formation for first type of adjustment. Now the second type of adjustment is up to formation of AB, both the adjustment are same. So the rays coming from infinity and objective is making the image AB at the focal plane of objective lens FA. Then this works as the object for eyepiece. Now the eyepiece is adjusted such that the AB falls within the optical center and focus of this eyepiece, and FUE is less than FE. So if we get a situation like this, the final image is made at least distance of distinct region D, and image is A1B1. So A1B1 is the final image of object AB at a distance known as least distance of distinct region, and this is called focusing for least distance of distinct region. So we can adjust our telescope by two methods. One is focusing for infinity and second is focusing for least distance of distinct region. So this is all about the image formation. Now we have to go for the expression for magnification. But before we start the expression for magnification, once again you see the diagram number 2. Alpha is the angle subtended by the object on objective lens. So this alpha is considered as the angle subtended by the object. And if this angle is alpha, this opposite angle is also alpha. So in triangle ABO, we can write tan alpha is equal to AB upon OB. That we will use in the expression. Now beta is the angle subtended by the image A1 B1 at eyepiece. So beta is considered as the angle subtended by the image on eye, and from the triangle ABE we can write tan beta is equal to AB upon EB. So this tan alpha is AB upon OB, tan beta is AB upon EB. This we will use in the magnification expression. Now we have to go for expression for magnification. So expression for magnification produced by an astronomical telescope. So magnification is angle subtended by the image upon angle subtended by the object, that is beta upon alpha. And for small angles we can write beta is approximately equal to tan beta and alpha is approximately equal to tan alpha. So actually m is tan beta upon tan alpha. Now from that two triangles, triangle OAB and triangle EAB, we can write tan alpha is equal to AB upon OB, tan beta is equal to AB upon EB. So substituting the values, AB upon EB upon AB upon OB, this AB cancels AB, and finally we have got the expression as OB upon EB. OB is focal length of objective and EB is UE, that is the distance from AB to eyepiece. Now as per the adjustment, we have the value of UE differently. So now if we take case number 1, focusing for relaxed eye, focusing for infinity, then UE is equal to FE. We have explained in the diagram that when object is made at the focal plane of eyepiece, then final image that infinity. So when UE is equal to FE, the magnification is F0 upon FE. Very important for numerical solving. So F0 upon FE is usually used to measure the magnification of an astronomical telescope. Now case 2, when final image that least distance of distinct region, then magnification is F0 upon UE, and 1 by UE can be solved by using lens formula. So we can use 1 by V minus 1 by U is equal to 1 by F. Final image that least distance of distinct region, that is minus D, and object distance is minus UE. So if we solve this, then we can get 1 by UE is equal to 1 by D plus 1 by FE. And we can further solve to get the value of UE also, that is if we take LCM D into FE, then FE plus D is equal to 1 by UE, UE is equal to DFE upon FE plus D. So in this way we can get the value of UE. Now come to the expression part. In place of 1 by UE, if we put the values 1 by D plus 1 by FE. So this is. And further solving this, if we take 1 by FE outside the bracket, then FE upon D plus 1 is the final expression for magnification of an astronomical telescope when it is focused for least distance of distinct region. Now we have to find out the expression for tube length. Tube length is the distance from objective to eyepiece. So L is equal to O to E. So we have two types of adjustment. So in first case, FO plus FE is the distance between two lens, and in case of 2 focusing for D, FO plus UE, and UE, the value of UE can be taken from here. So we can write L is equal to F naught plus dFe upon Fe plus d. So this is the final expression for magnification as well as tube length of an astronomical telescope. I think things are very clear and the topic is easy also, so we can handle it very easily and is very important for board examination also from the topic